A very good morning, students. On behalf of Paramount Public School, today I am going to discuss chapter 6 of computer, that is making decisions in Python. In this video lecture, I will use some Hindi language to make the concept more clear to you. In real life, we often make decisions, and based on these decisions, we decide what should we do next. These decisions are usually made based on certain conditions. Real life में भी हम कोई ना कोई decision लेते हैं according to the conditions. For example, if it might rain, then you decide to carry an umbrella with you. जब आपको लगता है कि बारिश हो सकती है, then you carry an umbrella with you ना, आप अपने साथ छतरी लेके जाते हो. So the decision of carrying an umbrella depends on the fact whether it is raining or not. मौसम कैसा है उस पे आप डिसाइड करते हो. This situation can be represented as follows. अगर हमने उसे रिप्रेजेंट करना है सिचुएशन को, तो हम उसे ऐसे फॉलो करते हैं. If it might rain, I will carry an umbrella. Otherwise, I will not carry an umbrella. So we make similar decisions while writing a program in Python. Same तरह के decisions हम बनाएंगे जब हम Python program लिखेंगे. So firstly, we will discuss comparison operators. You know all about the comparison operators. There are 6 type of comparison operators. First one is greater than operator. आपको पता ही है, the operator जो symbol है वो कौन सा यूज़ हो रहा है. You can see in the video. The operator returns true. Greater than operator returns the answer true if the left operand has a greater value than the right operand. Means this is the left operand 10 and 5 is the right operand. अगर left operand जो left side पे value है वो greater है than the right operand, it will return the value true, otherwise it will return false. Next one is less than operator. You can see the symbol. The operator returns true opposite to the previous one if the left operand has a lesser value than the right operand. Now you can see on the next page 10 5. ठीक है, 2 वैल्यूज हैं ऑन द लेफ्ट ऑपरेंड कौन सा है 10 एंड राइट इज 5. तो जो लेफ्ट ऑपरेंड है दैट शुड बी लेसर वैल्यू, दैट शुड हैव अ लेसर वैल्यू. तो इसमें ग्रेटर है, दैट्स वाई इट इज फॉल्स. सो इन द सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल लेफ्ट ऑपरेंड हैज अ लेसर वैल्यू देन द राइट, सो इट विल रिटर्न द वैल्यू ट्रू. नेक्स्ट वन इज ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू ऑपरेटर. The operator returns true if left operand has a greater value than the right operand or equal to. या तो value की ज़्यादा हो या equal हो. You can see an example. First one will return true because 6 is greater than 5. Second one will return true because 5 is equal to 5. So दोनों conditions check होंगी यहाँ पे, या तो greater है या equal है. 4 is greater than equal to 5, it will return false. The fourth one is less than or equal to operator. This operator returns true if the left operand has a lesser value or equal to the right operand value. या तो जो है लेफ्ट ऑपरेंड है उसकी वैल्यू कम हो या इक्वल हो. नाउ लेफ्ट ऑपरेंड जो है एग्जाम्पल है, फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल है लेफ्ट ऑपरेंड हैज़ अ हायर वैल्यू देन द राइट वन, दैट्स वाई इट इज़ फॉल्स. And in other two it is true because 5 is equal to 5 and 4 जो है value that is less than 5. Come to the next page. Next one is an equal to operator. The operator equal to returns true if the left operand has the same value as the right operand. We symbolize it with double equal sign. So in the first example 5 is equal to 5. That's why the answer is true. Other two do not match. Left operand and right operand are different. That's why the answer is false. Sixth one, that is the last one, is not equal to operator. So this is the symbol that is used for not equal to. The operator returns true if the left operand is not same as the right operand. अगर left और right की value डिफरेंट है देन इट विल रिटर्न ट्रू, अगर सेम है इट विल रिटर्न द आंसर फॉल्स. जैसे फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल में बोथ वैल्यूज आर सेम सो इट विल फॉल्स, and in the last example both values are different, it will return the value true. I hope you are able to understand comparison operators. Thank you.